USB 2.0 USB cable facilitates connection between various devices. 6.5 Length for convenient use. Male-to-male construction requires no separate adapter. Capable of transferring movies, videos and other media files at the rate of 480 megabits per second. PVC casing for extra longevity. Can be used with smartphones, digital cameras, tablet PC devices, portable hard drives and PC, Mac. The 2 meters USB to down angle micro USB cable provides a high-quality connection between your micro USB 2.0 mobile devices, smartphones, digital cameras, tablet PC devices, portable hard drives, etc. and your PC or Mac computer, for everyday tasks such as charging, data synchronization or file transfers. The down-angled micro USB connector allows you to access your mobile micro USB devices, while keeping the cable out of the way, and stress away from the port. Position your micro USB devices as needed, up to 2 meters distance between devices. Top reviews from the United States. Great use with my dartboard. I use it to power my dartboard and works perfect. I have the dartboard inside a shelf and this kicks back through a small hole I put in it perfect so I can run the cable behind the shelf.